Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to have all of you here today as we dive into one of the most loved and fast-growing collections in JAFRA skincare, JAFRA BioLab. Whether you're brand new to BioLab or already in love, we're going to walk through each product in the collection. So settle in, grab your coffee, and get ready to fall in love with JAFRA BioLab all over again. Let's jump in. First, what makes JAFRA BioLab so unique? It offers visible benefits supported by cosmetic science, and all formulas are developed to meet the expectations of modern consumers seeking clinically tested, effective skincare with visible results. Does that sound like you? Because it does sound like me. And what are the benefits? The benefits are visible improvements in skin texture, tone, and radiance. It also supports the skin microbiome and is dermatologist tested for allergy and irritation. Formulas with clearly defined ingredients concentrations. And JAFRA BioLab is the collection that you can use with any skincare routine that you are already using, because it all depends on your concerns. That's what BioLab fits in. So what makes the ingredients so special? JAFRA BioLab's formulas are crafted using high-performance cosmetic ingredients at effective concentration. Each ingredient was chosen for its skin benefits and role in an effective skincare routine. Across the collection, we will find a key ingredient called prebiotics. And prebiotics promote the appearance of younger and healthy-looking skin by supporting the skin microbiome. Prebiotics can also help enhance our skincare routine. So we know that cleansing every morning and night, it is an essential step in your skincare routine. If you already know BioLab, this was our previous presentation for our cleanser. And now it comes in this beautiful bottle with the orange colors that mark that it's an essential product throughout the collection. It's a cleanser designed to remove impurities without stripping away our moisture in our face. And it also helps to soothe and hydrate even if you have delicate skin, and it's going to support your pH and healthy skin microbiome. One of the key ingredients is lactic acid, which is known for soothing hydration and mild exfoliation, prebiotics, and also glucosides, which are gentle plant derivative, ingredients that cleans without stripping our skin, which is very important when we wash our face, that we don't feel that stripping feeling. Is just a clean face ready for our next product. And how do you use it? You can use it in your morning or at your night routine. Next, we have my very, very favorite product, our JAFRA BioLab Resurfacing Mask. And this one is going to help to enhance your skin radiance with gentle exfoliation that helps retinize your skin for a smoother, brighter, and more supple look. I've been using it since we launched it, and I'm loving the results. The key ingredients is BHA, which is in a form of salicylic acid that is known to promote exfoliation to help reveal smooth and refined skin. It also has AHA, which is in a form of lactic acid and glycolic acid that is going to help remove dead skin cells, to help you reveal that new skin cells that is going to make your skin look more luminous. You can use this one once a week, apply it to your clean, dry face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes while you either read a book, drink a coffee, enjoy yourself, And then you rinse it thoroughly and you follow your regular skincare routine, including moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Now, speaking about sunscreen, we have our JAFRA BioLab Essential SPF 50 sunscreen. This one is going to help your skin look younger and healthier with that protection that we need for the sun. It has prebiotics to support your skin microbiome and also has niacinamide, which is going to help you soothe your skin and support its moisture barrier. Clinical test results, our participants felt hydrated for up to 12 hours, which I think that's very important when we look for a sunscreen that is fast absorbing, that it doesn't leave those white residues, and that our skin feels hydrated. Now, speaking of hydrated skin, we have a smooth recovery serum with 17% PHA complex that is going to help improve your skin hydration and support your skin moisture barrier to reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The key ingredient is PHA, which is going to provide hydration and support your skin barrier while reducing the look of pores if that's your concern, or maybe you're looking to reduce the look of your wrinkles or fine lines. And something that I want to share with all of you is that 77% show a significant decrease in the look of wrinkles and fine lines on a clinical test that we had on day 28. You can use this one in your morning and night routine, and the dispenser just makes it very easy to apply 2 to 3 drops, and we put it all over our face, avoiding the eye area. Now I'm going to move into our 4.5% prebiotics, which now comes in the concentrated fluid that glides on smoothly and absorbs quickly, supports the skin microbiome, and reinforcing the skin barrier to reveal a more youthful appearance. If you know BioLab, maybe you're used to see these prebiotics in the capsules. It now comes in this form, which gives you 3% more of the capsules. It's going to help you smoother your texture, fast absorption, and better results. It has an airless pump dispenser that helps prevent oxidation and ensure maximum efficacy. And based on a clinical test that we had, participants saw results in as little as 2 weeks with concentrated levels of key ingredients, which is the prebiotics that is going to help promote the appearance of younger and healthy looking skin. Next, we have what we used to know, our capsules, orange capsules, our vitamin capsules, however you used to call this. They now come also in a new innovation, and you're also getting 3% more than the capsules, smoother texture, fast absorption, and better results. Our 20% vitamin C in a concentrated formula is going to help support skin collagen and minimize signs of aging while nourishing your skin with antioxidants. And this one, you can use it at night. Just shake it well before you use it. Apply 2 to 3 drops in the area that you want to concentrate or all over your face. We know that vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that is going to help support the skin collagen and minimize the signs of aging. But we couldn't forget about our eyes, right? What we have here is our the Puff Eye Serum, with specialized ingredients, concentrated levels of ingredients, which is caffeine complex plus EGCG derivative that help minimize the look of puffiness, decrease the appearance of dark circles, and visible diminish signs of fatigue. And based on an independent test, 66% show a significant decrease in puffiness of the under eye area on day 28. This one you can use it at night or in the morning or both if you like. And after you cleanse your face, just go ahead and apply it under your eye. And I always recommend that we use this finger, the ring finger, because it's the less heavier finger for these very sensitive area in our face. And next, we also have here in our JAFRA BioLab collection, our spot correction products. This one is formulated with probiotics and 10.5% of niacinamide plus the melanix. And what is that? That is a proprietary trademark ingredient blend developed by JAFRA Cosmetics. It's designed to target dark spots, uneven skin tone, and dullness. First, we have our spot correction serum. And this one, you can use 2 to 3 drops to clean face and neck as part of your night and your evening routine. And to even get better results, we recommend that you use the duo, which the next product is our spot correction SPF. And this one, you only use it during your morning routine. So if your concern is dark spots, uneven skin tone, this duo is wonderful to help you with that concern. But because we know we are 100% skin, we also have our body care for rough, bumpy skin. Maybe you've heard of strawberry skin. So this duo is going to help you improve texture without drying out your skin or disturbing the moisture barrier. And something that I want to share with you is that based on an independent test, our consumer and clinical testing results, in day 14, our participants, they saw an improved skin texture without drying their skin. So if you want to improve the appearance of those bumps, sometimes we see here that strawberry skin, first we have our exfoliator that has 9.5% of AHAs, and AHAs, just like our face mask, is going to help to exfoliate and moisturize the skin to reveal a smoother, brighter, and more supple look. And this one also has perlite derivative from volcanic rocks that it's going to gently exfoliate to help visibly smooth and mattify your skin. And this one, you can use it every 3 days, you know, whatever you want to have that concern of that bumpy or that rough skin that you might have, that's where you will use this product. But we know that to help relieve the rough, bumpy skin and dryness, we have the soothing lotion that provides effective surface hydration while gently exfoliating with a high concentration of alpha hydroxide or AHAs. And this one is going to smooth and soften your skin, revealing that healthy but hydrated look. And that's all. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I can't wait for you to experience our JAFRA BioLab collection yourself. And if you need help choosing the right products, just reach out and I would love to help you and guide you. Bye, everyone.